It's bird time again. Where's Rocky? Where is he?
Suri, Mimi, come on, get in there.
It's time to feed and water the birds. Babies, and go poop poop again.
Hey, stop that. Who put the ball over here? You'll make a mess.
It's feeding time and poop poop time. Aww. And kisses time. All ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It's time to go back, Rocky Bird. You're gonna go poop poop.
What are you doing with my wipes? Try them again?
Did Rocky take them? Did Rocky take them? Did Rocky take them? Rocky's just... Mimi! And Sammy's... what are you fighting over? Mimi's a little screech. Oh, Mimi's taking a bath and Sammy does not like it. Sammy! Should we get Sammy's?
No.
Mimi's trying to take a bath.
Okay.
And Sammy does not like it much.
Mimi, that's not, you don't need a bath.
Sammy's like, don't. He hates it.
Your water.
He hates it when she takes a bath.
Weird.
When they get fresh water, she likes it. Mimi!
Sammy doesn't want to drink your yucky water.
That's not nice. Look, she looks like the Karate Kid with her foot up. Say hello, Mimi. Mimi's putting her foot up, like, get away. I'll kung fu you. Mimi, stop. You are clean. Oh, it's bath time for me. And Sammy does not want it. Look at your... He's like, don't put your head in there. It's weird. Okay, Sammy can come out. So Mimi can take a bath. There you go. All right. Oh. And then Rocky can go back into your house. Good boy. Oh. Okay. Sammy can go in the playhouse. There you go. Oh. Having kids. And I want a dog. I grew up with dogs. Now, actually, I want one of those.
I already have a kid.
Saint Bernards.
Full grown.
I want a Saint Bernard.
Long hair.
I want a big Saint Bernard. He would like my birds. How are we going to fit a Saint Bernard in here?
Could barely fit you in here.
Yeah, I'm going to have to wait until I get a bigger vehicle and a bigger coach for a Saint Bernard.
Sick.
I know, me too. I ate bad food. That was really bad.
All these nice Harleys.
Yeah, nice everything. People traveling.
Uh-oh.
What?
We're not going to be able to get through right there? What are these guys doing? Having a conversation in the middle of everything? Of course.
Look at that big horse trailer. Is that a horse trailer?
That's a small one.
Oh, well, looks big to me.
They make these things like 50 feet.
I want a horse too. I want a ranch.
A horse is like the most expensive animal to deal with.
I know. It'd be nice though. You can dream. There's only so much time we have, you know. I don't want to own an animal and not be able to spend time with it. My pets are like my world. They go everywhere with me pretty much.